patch, that won't work through again. This gets patched like that is. See, that's where it's patched. That ain't
Pop the hood. Got a little bit of a leak right here or something, huh? You think it's just antifreeze or something? All this in here?
Oh, that's just from where?
From the hose right there.
That hose popped off when I put a new clamp on, took the hose off and it got wet one.
It ever overheat at all?
No. No. The thermostat's in it. It's great. Keeps it at running temp.
Okay. Man.
Interior's immaculate on this thing.
It's not a bad looking truck, man. Are you willing to work a little bit on that price at all?
A little bit, yeah. A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. I'm just thinking, I'm gonna have to go get a tire today. It ain't got nothing to do with you, of course. It ain't your fault. Well, I guess it is your truck, but you know what I mean? Like, it's not, after you sell it, it's not your problem, you know what I mean? Something I gotta account for right away. I was gonna try to get a trailer and a U-Haul and tow that back with this. But I don't know if, if the transmission, is it in good shape?
Yeah, the transmission's great.
It's automatic, of course. Overdrive?
Yeah.
So is that 4L60 or?
Yeah, the 4L60's got a shift kit on it. It's got the overdrive and it's got a trailer brake on it.
Yeah, it looks like it's definitely been sitting for a little bit. How are the brake lines and stuff?
They're good. This one over here needs replaced. It leaks just a little bit.
The brake line?
Yeah, well, it just leaks a little bit, but all four brakes still work.
You probably can't drive it then if it needs brake line.
No, you can. Because the back brakes are only 10% of the stop power, all of the front, and this one works, and it still works.
Yeah, but that's a lot when you're trying to tow something, I'd rather just...
I towed my buddy's long bed F-150 down from Riverside down to here.
Yeah, because I see the little spot where it's leaking down there. I'd probably just call AAA. I don't want to even, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Especially with a load, end up hitting somebody or something like that. That's probably patchable, right?
Yeah.
Would you take 32 for it?
I need a little bit more than that. I need at least what I paid for it.
What'd you pay for it?
I paid $3,600 and then put some money into it.
I got 35 in my pocket right now. This is 35. You take 35, you count it out.
You think you can find another 100?
I got 35 right there. That's all of it. I just left the bank with it. Make sure you count those stacks or whatever, because that's the two. Wait, yeah. That should be, maybe that ain't, hold on. It might be 3,200, I'm sorry. That's 32. I got 35 though. That should be 10 of them. And that should be 20 of them, 100s right there. I'm trying to figure out, like, I gotta get a tire, which if I get the AAA, I probably won't need a tire, but I need at least to act like it's been driving, you know what I mean? Take it down the street or something. So they'll even pick it up for me.
I got one of them cigarette lighter compressors. We can put a little air in it. It'll hold for a little bit, but it'll drain right back.
Yeah, just so I can take it down the street to like a gas station or something. And then you
Yeah,
know.
the other 300.
Yeah, I do. Yeah. Hold on one second. All right, guys, there it is. We finally got her picked up. Brake line blew out, but yeah, we're on our way home finally. So got a hitch on there. Typical Ohio stuff, but it ain't terrible. Right there, you can see where it's pinched off. I'm trying to pinch it off, but it's bad. We went to replace it. It's the exhaust system. Frame looks pretty solid though. It's got an undercover lip, so it's really not too bad.
I was just saying I was gonna lower it.
Oh yeah, go for it, brother.
I didn't want to like get too caught.
No, you're good. I was just showing my buddy the underside of the truck.
Right, you're good. I don't know if you know, but both tires over there are missing a lug.
That's fine. But thanks for letting me know.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Noticed that.
Yep.
That one is too.
Yeah, it was the lock.
Oh, is the locking lug nut?
It was a locking one. Yeah. All right, brother.